Increasing sales at your restaurant can be achieved through a variety of strategies. Here are several effective approaches explained in short. 1. Enhance the menu. Seasonal specials introduce limited time offers based on seasonal ingredients. Menu engineering. Analyze which items are most profitable and promote them. Dietary options include vegan, gluten-free, and health-conscious options to attract a wider audience. 2. Improve customer experience. Staff training. Ensure staff are well-trained in customer service and product knowledge. Ambience. Create a welcoming atmosphere with appropriate lighting, music, and decor. Feedback mechanism. Encourage and act on customer feedback to improve service. 3. Marketing and promotions. Social media marketing. Use platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase dishes and engage with customers. Loyalty programs. Implement a rewards program to encourage repeat visits. Email marketing. Send newsletters with promotions, events, and new menu items. 4. Utilize technology. Online ordering. Offer online ordering for takeout and delivery. Reservation systems. Use reservation platforms to manage bookings and reduce wait times. Mobile apps. Consider developing an app for easier ordering and loyalty tracking. 5. Community engagement. Local partnerships. Collaborate with local businesses for cross-promotions. Events and classes. Host cooking classes, wine tastings, or themed nights to attract customers. Charity events. Organize events that give back to the community, which can enhance your brand image. 6. Optimize pricing. Value meals. Create combo meals or value options to attract budget-conscious diners. Dynamic pricing. Adjust prices based on demand, time of day, or day of the week. 7. Focus on takeout and delivery. Third-party delivery services. Partner with delivery apps to reach more customers. Packaging. Invest in quality packaging that keeps food fresh and presentable. 8. Host special events. Themed nights. Create special nights, example, taco night, trivia night, to draw in crowds. Live music or entertainment. Offer live music or entertainment to create a unique dining experience. 9. Leverage customer reviews. Encourage reviews. Ask satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on platforms like Yelp and Google. Respond to feedback. Engage with customers online by responding to reviews, both positive and negative. 10. Optimize operations. Inventory management. Keep track of inventory to reduce waste and ensure popular items are always available. Staff scheduling. Optimize staff schedules based on peak hours to ensure efficient service. 11. Seasonal and holiday promotions. Holiday menus. Create special menus for holidays and events, e.g., Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving. Gift cards. Promote gift cards during the holiday season as a gift option. By implementing a combination of these strategies, you can effectively increase sales at your restaurant while also enhancing the overall customer experience. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and share this video.